All right, so we're going to look at number 6 in the study guide. And just like the previous problem, I do see lots of fractions. I see fractions in the inside of my parentheses and the outside, so we want to first worry about the numbers on the outside. We want to find the lowest common denominator that will eliminate our fractions here, and that's easy because they both have a denominator of 3. So we're just going to multiply the outside numbers by 3. Okay, so that will give me a -4. Everything inside the parentheses is staying exactly the same for now. So we'll leave it like it was. And here I'll have 5 on the outside. And now we'll distribute. So we'll hopefully, if we distribute, we'll see if we'll still end up with fractions. So now I'm going to get a negative and a negative. So that will be 28/5 x plus, or in this case, minus, I suppose, minus 28/3. And then over here, I'll end up with 15/2 x and minus 25/2. So this is one where we will have to double clear. So I can still left with multiple fractions. So we do need to actually multiply by the LCD again. So now I got to find the LCD of 5, 3, and 2. So I believe that should be 30. So I'm going to multiply by each one by 30. This is a bit of a lengthier problem. So when I multiply that through, just to kind of speed it along, I'm going to get 168x minus 280 will equal 225x minus 375. Okay, now obviously we want to subtract 168x from each side. So I'm going to get negative 280 equals 57x minus 375. We want to get this 57x isolated, so we're going to add 375 to each side. And we will get 95 equals 57x. Okay, now we want to divide by 57. And I'm going to get x equals 95/57. This is a tricky one, but this one actually can be simplified, so you always want to double check. If I divide each by 19, I'm going to get 5/3 as my answer. So always double check that it looks like it can't be simplified, but in this case it can. So you always want to double check that, and we should get 5/3 as our answer.